Cardano cost pretty equivalent to $0.3688 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.3630-0.3731 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 0.3648, or so they for the most part thought. The change sort of was plus 0.0040, plus 1.10%, which especially is genuinely critical. Opposite rate, USD to ADA, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.36, truly most extreme 0.39, really least 0.33, or so they especially thought. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.37, really greatest 0.40, kind of least 0.34 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.36, genuinely greatest 0.39, sort of least 0.33 in a genuinely large manner. Cardano gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.37, beautiful most extreme 0.40, lovely least 0.34, showing how Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.36, genuinely greatest 0.39, in every way that really matters, least 0.33. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.37, really most extreme 0.40, in every practical sense, least 0.34 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost $0.36, most certainly greatest 0.39, least 0.33, which essentially is genuinely critical. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.36, essentially greatest 0.39, beautiful least 0.33 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.35, kind of greatest 0.37, for the most part least 0.33, or so they basically thought. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.36, fundamentally most extreme 0.39, essentially least 0.33 amazingly. Cardano conjecture on Friday, May 26, cost $0.35, certainly greatest 0.37, by and large least 0.33, or so they generally thought. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $0.35, kind of greatest 0.37, least 0.33, showing how the change explicitly was plus 0.0040. Plus 1.10%, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.35, truly most extreme 0.37, genuinely least 0.33 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.34, essentially greatest 0.36, extremely least 0.32 incredibly. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.33, greatest 0.35, sort of least 0.31 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $0.33, fundamentally most extreme 0.35, exceptionally least 0.31, showing how essentially backwards rate, USD to ADA in an extremely large way. In 3 weeks Cardano gauge on Monday, June 5, cost $0.33, essentially most extreme 0.35, in every way that really matters, least 0.31, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.34, essentially greatest 0.36, truly least 0.32 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.35, sort of greatest 0.37, certainly least 0.33 in a huge way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.36, truly greatest 0.39, especially least 0.33, which generally is very huge. Cardano estimate on Friday, June 9, cost $0.36, for the most part greatest 0.39, genuinely least 0.33 in an essentially enormous way. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $0.35, for the most part greatest 0.37, certainly least 0.33 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.36, by and large greatest 0.39, really least 0.33, or so they for the most part thought. USD to ADA conversion scale genuinely equivalent to 2.7115 coins per $1, or so they truly thought. Today, S reach 2.6802 minus 2.7548. The past day, S nearby 2.7412 in a fundamentally significant way. Change for now 0.0297. 1.08%, exhibiting that today, S reach 2.6802 minus 2.7548 in an unpretentious way. USD to ADA cost gauge for in the not-so-distant future in month, so Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost $0.36. Lovely most extreme 0.39, sort of least 0.33, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Cardano figure on Monday, May 15, cost 2.778 coins, especially most extreme 3.030, by and large least 2.564, as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.703 coins, really most extreme 2.941, genuinely least 2.500, which basically is very huge. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost 2.778 coins, all things considered, greatest 3.030, exceptionally least 2.564, as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 2.703 coins, especially most extreme 2.941, kind of least 2.500, which by and large shows that Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 30, costs $0.35, exceptionally greatest 0.37, for the most part least 0.33 in a truly significant manner. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday, May 19, cost 2.703 coins. In every practical sense, greatest 2.941, certainly least 2.500, showing how Cardano estimate on Friday, June 9, cost $0.36, extremely most extreme 0.39, beautiful least 0.33, which especially is very huge. In multi-week USD to ADA forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 2.778 coins, exceptionally most extreme 3.030, beautiful least 2.564, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost 2.778 coins, by and large most extreme 3.030, genuinely least 2.564, which in a real sense is very critical. USD to ADA forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost 2.857 coins, genuinely greatest 3.030, kind of least 2.703, showing how USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.703 coins, extremely greatest 2.941, sort of least 2.500 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Thursday, May 25, cost 2.778 coins, essentially greatest 3.030, kind of least 2.564, showing how Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.37, certainly greatest 0.40, really least 0.3.